Start the week with our quick business tips and advice. This week's idea is interviews. Another way to add authenticity to content is through interviews. Interview-based posts require reaching out to industry experts and asking them a series of questions about topics that your readers may find useful. Interviews also often shed light on personalized experiences, which can be inspiring for target audiences, like experiential posts. Other examples could be sharing professional struggles, happy memories on a trip, enjoyable moments from attending a cultural event, etc. For example, interviewing athletes to ask about their personal struggles or interviewing a successful blogger to discuss his road to success. You can conduct interviews with anybody, from teammates to industry experts, to add professional insights into niche topics. Here are some tips to craft interview-based posts. Start your interview with small talk. Make sure the person you're interviewing is aware of your audience. Try to schedule and conduct live interviews. Create a cheat sheet with content ideas. It should also outline where you intend to take the interview. Start your interview post by introducing the interviewee. More tips and advice every Monday. Have a good business week.